starting my business. Kasi yung dream ko talaga, I want to settle down, have a family. You know, siguro pag nasa tamang edad, I'd like to just, siguro cut off work for a bit. I want time with family. Kasi syempre sa trabaho natin, we don't really have time for family. So, yun ang gusto ko talaga. Yun talaga dream ko. I just want, you know, to be with my family every day. And look over the business. At sa ngayon, I'm doing my business now. It's doing okay. And I think I've met, and I know I've met the girl of my dreams right here. So, yun. Yeah. Yeah, seryoso.
May nasingit pang
Dinulat mo kami doon, ha?
So, yeah.
Nahulat.
So,
Revelation.
almost there, you know. Step by step. But yeah, so yun talaga dream ko. I just really want my family, you know, quiet life. So, yun. Yan ang dream ko. Thank you.
Thanks, Care.
Nice, ano naman say mo na ikaw palang
Dream niya.
being the dream girl of Enrique. Oh, chika.
What's the question?